I hope you're all enjoying this Monday show, but I'm about to share something very important because there are so many steps you have to go through when it comes to buying a home. But let's face it, there is one step that you absolutely cannot avoid, and that's having decent credit. Here to help us learn how to get that desirable credit score is Jeff Snyder.
Hi.
Good to see you.
Good to see you again.
Oh man, I'm excited because he's got some really amazing tips for us and things that could really benefit first-time home buyers or even someone who's trying to invest in more homes maybe.
Yeah, well, when you say the word credit, some people have a negative reaction, and that's the kind of person that we'd love to talk to. Obviously, if you have great credit, you're going to be able to get whatever you want in terms of a house or a car. But if your credit's struggling a little bit, there are a lot of places you can go to get credit. A lot of people are familiar with the big free credit report websites, and those aren't necessarily the best places to go. As a matter of fact, they sell your information. A lot of people don't know that, so that's the first tip. Is when you're putting your information online to get something for free, realize that they're probably selling your information. So you might notice that you get a bunch of offers in the mail as soon as you send something in like that. That's why they sell your information almost immediately. So you have to be really careful.
So, okay, for example, Credit Karma is an app that I constantly use, and you're saying that's kind of one of them that might not be the most accurate as well?
Correct. The scores are never correct. They're always inflated by about 30 or 50 points. But there is a place you can go once per year. You can go to annualcreditreport.com. It's backed by the government, by the Federal Trade Commission, and you can go there once a year and get a full copy of your credit report. It's completely accurate, it's completely free, and you can go there right now and enter in your information, and they'll send you your free copy of your real credit report.
That's so important, Jeff. And I know a lot of people might be discouraged, and they're like, I can't get a home, but there are ways, and that's why you guys are here to help them out. What are some tips you would give people out there, maybe if they kind of a little bit below fair credit, what can they do to spike it up?
If there's one thing you can do right now today in order to get your score up a little bit, we can always call us and you'll get a free financial analysis. That's the starting point to figure out where you are in the game. But the first thing that I would tell anybody to do is make sure you have a couple of good things open on your credit. If you have some bad credit, don't worry about the old bad credit right now. Let's put some good things on your credit, and you can get secured credit cards from any bank, no matter what your credit score is, and that'll start to boost your score and work on your score.
That's actually what I just did a couple months ago, so I was so excited when you were coming on the show. I'm like, what do I need to do next? So I feel like, what is the ideal credit score that you do want to have?
Well, you always want to have something in the 700s, but anything 580 and above, you're going to be able to get car, house, you'll be able to get whatever you want with 580 and above, and it's getting a little bit looser. So if you were told no before, that answer today changes. It could be yes. You never know.
That's great news, and I think it's good motivation for all of you to make sure you're on it, you're paying your bills on time, especially your credit card. And you recommend 2 credit cards?
Two credit cards, yeah. That seems to be the number that works the best. 1 is not quite enough. 3 is kind of redundant. So 2 secured credit cards is the number that we recommend right now. But it's everybody's situation is a little bit different, and it's always easiest if you give us a call. All
right, Jeff. Well, yes, make sure you visit Jeff over at Clarity Mortgage because they are your mortgage solutions simplified. For that free financial analysis, call 210-362-1244 or go to ClarityMortgageTexas.com.